Alright, so how are we going to handle it when we have points that don't land exactly at one of these grid intersections? Well, first of all, we're going to assume that the point is exactly in the middle between the two lines that are there. So what that means is we need to do a little bit of math, okay? And here's your choices. You can look down and find the nearest line that's easy to identify. Like this line here is 3.5 in the x direction, right? So this line here, the line we're trying to create, is a little bit more than 3.5. So how much more, right? That's the question. So 0.25 inches. So we're starting off at 3.5 in the x direction, and we're going half of a quarter. 0.25, right? If we divide that by 2, we get 0.125. So since we're already at 3.5, we need to add another 0.125. And that would give us a coordinate for the x at 3.625. Okay, and then you can work that in either direction. If we had a point and we wanted to go a little to the left, well, then instead of adding, we would subtract. Okay, but the easiest thing to do is find the nearest line that's easy to identify, and then add that eighth of an inch, that 0.125, to get your new x coordinate. And of course that works the same with the y, like right here. 0.21, if we're looking for the y coordinate, well, here's 2.5. Right, so it's a little bit more than 2.5. So again, it would be 2.5 plus 0.125. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take a look at this assignment. You want to work your way through it, write out the points in the format we talked about, x comma y, no spaces in between. And then when you've got it all written out, start AutoCAD up and start entering your coordinates after you start the line command. Now if something goes wrong, well, easy enough to figure out where you have to go to fix things, right? If something's not lining up, something looks wacky, something looks off, well, we just go back, we try to figure out what the coordinate was supposed to be and try to recalculate its point. Okay, and this is how we're going to take care of this absolute precision B12 2A assignment.